Hello everyone. By now we have done lot of theory about circles. It's high time that we start with some illustrations or problem solving sessions, right? So let me have only problems in this session, and even in further sessions only problem solving sessions we will have. Okay. So first one is the lines 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y equal to 7 are the diameters of a circle of area 154 square units. Then find the equation of the circle, and actually we are given some 4 options. Now to get equation of a circle, what we need is center and the radius. Now equations of two diameters are given, and use little presence of mind to understand that those two diameters will have point of intersection as center. So to get center, it's better that we solve those two equations of diameters and we get center. On solving, I will be getting center as 1 comma minus 1. So center is ready with me. Second information is given is the area of the circle, and area is 154 square units. If r is the radius, then I can always write pi r square equal to 154. I'm taking here pi as 22 by 7 to make our calculation more friendly. And r square what I get is 49, and hence r is 7. Actually for equation of the circle we need r square only. So r square part I would be replacing by 49. Center is 1 comma minus 1. So use equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h comma k was the center. Using that I get equation as x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 49, which on simplification gives me x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y equal to 47. And the correct option is C. Very simple question. Center, radius required. Information given was also extremely friendly. So basic calculation leads to the final answer. So let us go to the next one. And the next question is the equation of the incircle of triangle OAB, where AB is the intercept made by the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12 between the coordinate axis and O is the origin, is what I have to find equation of the incircle of triangle OAB. So question is related to circle, incircle. Again for that we will need finally radius and the center. Information given in the questions of competitive level is extremely friendly, one, and two, with minimum calculation you should be able to get your answer. That is the aim. Now this 3x plus 4y equal to 12, this should take your attention. Numbers are extremely friendly. I draw the figure, the 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Put y equal to 0 to get point on the x-axis. Put x equal to 0 to get point on the y-axis. So we understand when I put y equal to 0, point would be 4 comma 0 on the x-axis. Similarly, point on the y-axis would be 0 comma 3. So triangle OAB I am in position to show. You can draw incircle also there, and minimum things are to be actually evaluated. Maximum things you can write in figure itself. Like how I have written there 3 minus r, 4 minus r. 3 minus r is length of the tangent, right? So at two places I have written 3 minus r because tangent drawn from the outside point to a circle will have same length. Using that fact, I have written at two places 4 minus r also. And also that AB part, since one side of the triangle OAB is 3 and other side is 4 and it is a right triangle, obviously that hypotenuse is going to be 5, and hence I can use that fact that length of AB is 5. So that should be sum of 4 minus r and 3 minus r. That straight away gives me r equal to 1. Also, the triangle OAB happens to be in the first quadrant. So in center will have coordinates are of the form r comma r, correct? And here r is 1. So in center is readily available. That is 1 comma 1. So center is known to me. Radius is known to me. So how much more will be required to write equation of a circle? Equation of incircle in this case would be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 1. And hence x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation. And the correct option is C. Now whole problem I tried to write in the minimum first of all statements. And I use the fact that by drawing correct figure in the correct orientation, I used the fact that in center will have its coordinates as r comma r, and that 3x plus 4y equal to 12. So friendly numbers have further simplified our situation, right? Okay. Proceed to the next one. And the next one is the equation of the circle whose center is 3 comma minus 1 and it cuts off a chord of length 6 on the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 equal to 0 is, we have to find again equation of the circle. Now here center is already given to us. Only remaining part is to get radius. Now how do we get that radius? By perhaps first of all drawing correct picture. 3 comma minus 1 is given to be the center. 2x minus 5y plus 18 is actually that line. AB is the segment cut off, right? And that would actually serve the purpose. Now, if CD is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the center 3 comma minus 1 to the line 2x minus 5y plus 18 equal to 0, use perpendicular distance formula, which you already know. Simplify, you will get answer as root 29. So length CD is known to me, correct? Actually, I am in search of length CA. AB is total length, which is given to be 6. So AD is half of it. So it is 3. Now once AD is known, CD is known, you can use Pythagoras theorem to get AC, and that AC would be finally under root 38, or actually for the question we will need R square only. So that is straight away 38. So you can write equation of the circle as x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 38. Correct? And hence the correct option is A. Now here the best part was center was given to you, only radius was required to be obtained. So this particular session I'm starting actually with the simpler questions. Okay. So let us go for the next one. And the next one is the circle passing through the point minus 1 comma 0 and touching the y-axis at 0 comma 2 and also passes through the point, and then 4 options. Now mind you please, this question is not so good question, but these days such questions appear where you have to actually work out one by one. Okay. The circle passing through the point minus 1 comma 0 and touching y-axis. That touching y-axis is something interesting. Now touching y-axis at which point? 0 comma 2. So I have shown their point A as 0 comma 2, and that actually prompts me that center will have its y coordinate as 2 only. So I start with center as say h comma 2. Also circle passes through minus 1 comma 0. So I have shown there somewhere minus 1 comma 0 also, and I have named that as point B. Correct? So now, since now you know that h comma 2 is the center, I can always use CA distance and CB distance. They are going to be same. So CA square equal to CB square, for my convenience I am taking, so that nowhere square root are required, right? So I used CA square distance formula. Similarly, CB square distance formula, and get one equation in H. I can see from there the terms of H square are on both sides, they are going to get cancelled, and you will be simply getting one simple equation 2h equal to minus 5 that leads to h equal to minus 5 by 2. And once h is known, that means center is known. And from there, at the most what you can do right now is get equation of the circle, because now center is known to you. It is nothing but minus 5 by 2 comma 2, right? And radius is 5 by 2. So I have equation as x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 5 by 2 square, which would lead to equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 5x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Correct? But this gives me equation of the circle. Question is not regarding equation of the circle. We have to now sit and do that exercise. That circle also passes through, and then 4 points are given. Frankly speaking, there is no other option but to substitute x and y as minus 3 by 2 comma 0 or minus 5 by 2 comma 2 or minus 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. One by one you substitute and see if equation gets satisfied. And the only point which satisfies out of 4 given options is minus 4 comma 0, and hence my correct option would be D. Now this question I have deliberately taken. It was not like finding equation of the circle, but then this, how much ever, like lengthy calculation you may feel, but that exercise needs to be done. Here I end my session. When we meet next time, more and more problems come your way. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Hope you have liked this video. To subscribe, click here, and to place order for the book, click here. Thank you.